So the next tool is the Shaper tool. Its shortcut is Shift N. When you right click on the Shaper tool or just click and hover, you will find the other tools also. So let's start with the Shaper tool. Shaper tool helps to create simple shapes. The very basic shapes you can draw with the Shaper tool. The shape you draw is converted into a crisp geometric shape and it is fully editable. Like I am drawing a rough circle using Shaper tool. So like this, it will create a perfect geometric shape. Now rectangle, triangle. As the shapes are editable, you can also change its fill color and stroke color also. So like this, you can draw the simple shapes. To move the shape, first select the shape, then click, hold and drag. You can also create straight lines using Shaper tool. You can draw lines at different angles like this. So this was all about the Shaper tool.